safety, please cross the
Customers are reminded that smoking is not allowed on any London Underground platform, train or any part of a station.
The train now approaching platform 2 terminates here. This train terminates here. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the London Underground, service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone. Platform 2 is the London Underground, service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. The train now standing at platform 2 is the London Underground, service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone. The next train to arrive at platform 2 terminates here. This train terminates here. The train now approaching platform 1 is the 10:29 London Overground, service to Euston, calling at all stations to Euston. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Customer announcement. For your safety, please do not cross or attempt to go into the live trucks to retrieve any personal property at any time. Live trucks carry high voltage and are extremely dangerous and will be considered as trespass. Trespassing is strictly prohibited on any London Underground station, which...
So customer service update, there is a good service on all lines. Customer service update. Good service on all lines.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 10:34 London Overground, service to Watford Junction, calling at all stations to Watford Junction. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. London Overground, service to Watford Junction, calling at all stations to Watford Junction.